Hi, my name is Handy Andy, and today I want to show you how to make a Joy-Con battery replacement by yourself. And you might have used them for quite some time. Battery drains faster, and with this step by step you can change the battery yourself and get new life into your Joy-Con. What you need is tri-wingtip screwdriver and also tweezers, and either if you have a nail or what I call a poker, maybe to bend up the battery when we get to it, and also a battery replacement. Mine's an original Nintendo replacement battery, but you can buy any aftermarket battery as long as it's with the specification of HAC-006, then it should work for all the Joy-Cons. This is about $10 online, and the tool replacement kit doesn't specifically have to look like this, is about $4, I think. So let's get to it. What you have to do is remove, first of all, the 4 screws here on the back. Yeah, it should go somewhat smoothly. And if this is your first time trying to do this, what I would recommend mostly is patience and just do it slowly, step by step. Let's see here, the screw does not want to come out easily. It's not the first time it happened. Yeah. Okay, so I will get it out by opening it a bit. So when all the screws are out, you can either go on the back side here to get it open with your nails, or the poker as well. You could put it inside here and drag it through all the way to get it open. You can also do the other way, open it from the top on the button side like this. Just be careful because there are ribbon cables here inside that you do not want to break. I'm gonna bend it a little like this so I get the screw out here. I think it's open now. No, it's not. Just a bit more. Nothing is flawless, right? Let's see. Okay, there it is. So the screws here, and these are the ribbon cables. If they get damaged or broken in any type of way, usually the controller stops working entirely. So I'm going to turn it over carefully here. See the battery and also the battery pin connector down there. So we're going to remove the battery as well as the pin connector here. You can put it on a flat surface, or if you feel steady on your hands, you can have it here. You put the poker inside here, wiggle a little, and it gets removed easily. There's some adhesive here underneath, so the battery's glued to it, and that's why you need to wiggle it a bit to get it off. To remove the battery from the pin connector, I use my tweezers, and I would recommend just take it very closely to the connector, squeeze it, and just pull it straight up. Do not wiggle it around. You can break the connectors inside there, and then the battery won't work anymore, or the controller for that matter. And to replace that is way more trickier than just replacing the battery. So yeah, and when you put this in, you do the same thing here. You have insertions here, small insertions, so look so the battery is on the right way. And I'm just gonna do like this again so you see it a bit better. I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna put it up there and push it in. It can be tricky doing it with the fingers like this, and then you can use your poker or tweezers. Some say if you hit with the metal on the connectors here at the top, you can fry the whole battery. So if you feel unsure, make sure you use the plastic one, and it shouldn't be any problems. So I'm just gonna put it back in here. I align it with the connectors here. I press it in place. I heard a click sound, and that means it's connected. And I just put it back here. Let me remove those things, and it should work. Yeah, we already see electricity going on in here. And now you just align the edges here back into the controller. See, the cables are in place too. And softly, gently put it there and just click it together. Now we just put the screws back. And this will give your controller fresh battery and hopefully more hours out of it. If you would also like to switch the joystick inside the Joy-Con, I will make another video to show how you start the same way by removing the screws and the battery, because underneath the battery the joystick is itself. But that will be another video for another time. For now, I just hope this helped you to get a fresh Joy-Con with new battery. We can connect it here as well. See, got connected. Let's look at the controllers. Full battery here, and it works flawlessly. And now you can start playing again. So yeah, this was the video from me. I hope this helped you guys, and let's see if I see you again in the next one. Have a good one.